Andrew, Fairweather Farmer, and today we're talking about growing loofahs. So they take about 90 to 120 days to grow from seed. They require a lot of heat and they grow like a vine, just like a cucumber. So we grow them on a string trellis on a tomahawk like we do our tomatoes and our cucumbers, attached to a metal wire up top. And it's very important that your loofah gourds do not touch the ground. If they do, they will begin to mold. And then the trick is that when they're dark green, like this one, they're just forming, they're not ready. And as they begin to get very yellow, they're almost ready. You can see that this one's still a little bit dark green. It's a little bit not quite there yet, so we won't be taking that one today. So you want one that's completely yellow, like this guy, and that you're able to touch the sides of the gourd and you can feel that it's cracking a little bit and that there's a separation between the skin and the plastic-free sponge on the inside. So what we do is we cut the loofah with a cicatar. After we cut it, we take the peel off and then we dry them on fans for about 2 weeks till it's completely dry, and then we cut them into slices and we sell them at the farmer's market as sponges, which are great for exfoliating your skin. They last for about a year, the sponge. You just need to disinfect to whatever frequency you're comfortable with. Put it in some boiling water with some soap, wash it, then rinse it off, dry it, and you're good to go.